Hi guys, and welcome to Forex Trading, your trading group. I'm Cash, my partner is Kram, and we're both here to teach you guys everything day trading in these markets, so start making you profitable on a daily basis. Alright, we're not a buy or sell channel. We're not sending you signals here when to buy and to sell. We're pure technical traders, so every trade that we take it based upon the technical analysis that we've learned in these markets by spending that much time in these markets. Also guys, we're not financial advisors, so any risk that you take upon yourself. Don't be risking more than 1% or 0.5% of your capital at any given point with any given trade. I'm going to start sharing my screen, guys. Okay, can you all see my screen? Okay, let me look at the chat. Okay, GBP USD is trying to do something. Yes, perfect. Okay. Sorry guys, oops, my mistake, my bad guys, just give me a second. Okay, now if we're looking at sells, we're looking at obviously sells below our demand zone. Okay, you all see that we're trying to come down, breaking our 70 RSI. You can start selling also guys, one-on-ones. If you feel comfortable only, you can start selling into demand, but obviously if you want to be safer, then the safer buys are below the demand zone. Okay, one-on-ones, I'm talking to you guys at this point. You all know how to trade this, you all know with what position you have to trade this with. So yes, okay, there are chances we can fill that wick, but we need to cross that area on the left before that. Get EUR. Obviously the cells will be below the structure. You can see the structure very clearly. I think it will be below our demand zone. Okay, and we can maybe look at how similar they look guys, GBP USD and EUR, and the buys are going to be above our supply zone. This is similar to
EU.
So sorry guys. Look at that, the buys, look at that gap guys. DAX always is an abstract painting, like I tell you all. Whenever I'm charting DAX for you guys, it looks like I've gotten some painting, abstract art, and I'm putting my lines on that. It's horrible, you know.
Don't do that.
Don't do that.
I said he's not in the copy trading and copy section. He doesn't know.
Let me reply.
Chona. They'll start talking about SMC. We don't want that. Leave it. Just go on.
Okay guys, I'm so sorry. So yeah, this is how the buys and the sells, they look to me at this point guys. Yesterday the markets were really choppy. Did anyone trade yesterday? I looked at those markets. I made a couple of clips on German 30, but that's all. But then German 30 also made me wait. My feeder gave me a loss yesterday on German 30, and it made me wait. And after that, look at this guys, decide what. Okay, one-on-ones. I have a question for you guys. What's happening on US 30? Can anyone tell me that? One-on-ones. What's happening on US 30? We fell and we're trading between 4H and 4H support and 4H resistance. Okay, Kyle, only Kyle knows what it is. Yes, that's distribution. Sellers distribute, buyers accumulate. Okay, that's what they're trying to do after a rally of sellers going down. Just give me a second guys. Okay, something's happening with German. Okay, this is just an impulse at this point guys. They could completely go down to make a double bottom. Also, we have our market open in 9 minutes. Okay, is anyone in on anything? Are you all trading anything at this point? Nobody is trading anything, I guess. EU or JPY short, good for you. We're not trading EU or JPY over here. We have EU or USD and GBP USD, which are more stable pairs to trade with. And that's it. Can you open EUR? Yes. Okay. Seems like on GBP and EUR we're trying to approach a demand zone. On both they're moving same as it is, guys. They could be doing something like this. They could go up, get rejected, and then go down and then fall further. Okay, guys? GBP USD, yeah, they're doing the same thing. GBP, even if you look at the candles, they're almost the same, guys. Okay? Guys, you don't have to trade if you feel that these markets are choppy.
Can you select?
No, Karthik, it's not. It's not. Okay?
Which one? Viv, you pick, jaldi.
They all look the same to me.
They, man, what is? Tell them to stop, man.
Can you all please stop annotating on my screen, guys? This is my screen and this is not respectful. This is really not nice. I'm not going to give permission to anyone to annotate any further. This is stupid. You all are not kids, guys. This is every session that I'm sitting on. You all are, you know, just putting something on my screen. It's not nice, guys. Please respect that. Okay, look at that. We got rejected from our demand zone. Maybe we're going to go up and make something and then fall down further from 5-minute support. Okay, I'm talking about EUR, and same thing is happening on GBP USD.
Quick, Viv. Maybe the new candles are playing.
I just hard to cut them.
Just hard them.
I don't like this camera, it's too clear. Okay, we're doing something on EU. Okay, look at that, guys. Okay, we closed above our supply zone. Could go up, but you all need to remember that this could just very well be this is on 15. I'm so sorry about that. Also this would, but look at that, we're still trading in this zone. Same thing, guys. But if we break out this, we're making some sort of pattern over here. This is the support that we're catching on 5-minute at this point, guys. Again, the sells and the buys, they remain the same. Okay, the zones. I'm not in on any position at this point, Karan. I'm not in on anything at this point. Thank you, Shelby. Look at that rejection. Like I said before market open, what do we have tomorrow? FOMC. And we're trading FOMC live, guys. We're trading FOMC live. I'm not sure if you all checked the stream schedule for the week, but this is what we're trying. Yeah, now I'm looking forward to it. I want to trade with you guys. Cram and I, we usually trade it together. Not for too long, but a couple of tips here and there we catch for that. For you guys, I'm extremely excited for you guys, you know. Kajal, you're excited too. I'm looking forward to FOMC, Neha. You're gonna do good, Neha. I know that. Okay, look at this, guys. Guys, don't be getting in on anything before market open. If anyone was looking at these charts yesterday for London market open, you all must have realized how choppy the markets were. Why? We have FOMC tomorrow. Okay, we have, this is one of the biggest folders that opens up. Before that, they're just manipulating these markets. That's what they're trying to do. Let me have a look at the RSI. Okay. Okay. We're going up. We were extremely oversold on German. Get this gap. Gap down. Maybe we'll fall. Maybe we'll fill this. Okay. EUR USD. Okay, we're trying to go overbought. We're trying to break 72 at this point. We broke 70, but you all need to realize that these FX pairs, they don't have that much volume or strength in them to move the markets that way. Look at that. What is GBP USD trying to do? Good for you, Pajot, good for you, but we don't trade, we don't run after these markets when we think that they're choppy. We don't need to do that. Our risk management and money management is in such a place that we don't need to trade every day, and that's what, Pajot, you should be doing as well. You're a good trader. I've been seeing everything that you've been everything that you've been putting, but I feel that you're over trading a little. Okay, so you need to know how much you need to trade. That is one of the biggest things that traders should know how to do, which is balancing their accounts, and that means how many trades you're going to take and how much you're going to risk per trade, and how many trades are you allowing yourself to trade in a day, because at the end of the day it all comes down to discipline, Pajot. Okay, DAX making moves. Okay, this is just an impulse at this point on DAX, guys. Okay, you want to take it, go ahead. I'm not in on it because again we have about 58 seconds to market open. Yep. If you're doesn't matter if your analysis is on point all the time, doesn't matter if you're Elon Musk or anyone, guys, but if your risk management is not in place, you're not gonna sustain in these markets. And for that, you all need to know that greed and fear, these two emotions, should not exist in the spectrum of the emotions that you have as a human being when it comes to trading. These two emotions, keep them away. I don't know what you have to do. Listen to some music, dance before getting onto these sessions. You like to paint, you like to play guitar, play guitar, you like to meditate, do whatever you have to, but don't let these markets control your emotions, guys. Fear and greed, these two emotions are the worst for traders, and these are also the emotions that we take a really long time to sort of master. Okay, look at that. This is an impulse on DAX. Now this is market open, guys. Okay, seems like we want to move up. Look at US 30. This will be a good double bottom breakout from a supply zone if we want to push up further. Okay, I'm not in on anything, guys, trust me, I'm not.
Send on. Not big.
Yeah,
Done. Oh, gaya bo. Can I do it? I'm just gonna send on.
okay, guys, look at this rejection also. Okay, we're catching some. This is all chop on the left. We need to break this area to go up further, but all of this is also chop, guys. Yesterday's chop is giving us areas today, and what can we do? We have to go through all of this to catch the clean moves.
क्या लग रहा है DAX? ऊपर नीचे.
I have to see.
RSI.
Guys, we have to break this. We have to fill the gap. Maybe we could come down to make a double bottom and then move up. And for US 30, I already told you guys that it was a double bottom, that if we break our supply zone, this will be a breakout structure and we can push up further. Seems like we don't have that much volume, so I'm going to wait and watch. I did not take anything. I'm not in on anything at this point, not even DAX, guys. Not even a feeler at this point, okay? There's unemployment change, EUR worse than expected, high impact news, red folder. This is what they're doing, guys. Chop, chop, chop. For now, everything is choppy. Cash tomorrow would be my first FOMC trade. I'll be there. Just trade your demo account. That's the only thing I can tell you. And play around with feelers. Don't put big positions when you're trading FOMC. Trust me, guys. When I was trading, when I initially started to trade actually with money, I tried trading FOMC, being so overconfident that yeah, I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna do this and that and blah blah blah. I lost a lot of money. Okay, and we have 50 people. Okay, that's really good attendance for London, guys. That's really good. I'm glad that there are people turning up for London market as well. I have a lot of people. I know that there are a lot of people from New York market, but I'm extremely grateful for you guys being here. I hope this number continues to go every day. And also, guys, I'm so sorry, my throat, guys. Also, guys, for one-on-ones, if you guys wanna, I'll try to open one slot. I'll have to check. Just give me a second, guys. Give me a second for that. Okay, guys, I have one slot open for one-on-ones. That's it. That's all I can do. Nothing more than that. So if anyone is interested in getting that one spot, please go ahead and message me or message on open chat and I will reply to you guys, okay?
Intro?
Yeah, I know. I'll sign up for 10-15 minutes. I'll finish this.
Okay, just tell her that. So, Natasha, I'm just in a work meeting, I would say. Natasha, I'm just in a work meeting. I'll send it across in 10. You want me to take over? I can take over.
Okay, guys, look at this, guys. If anyone had taken this impulse, and this is not too much, guys, but this 5-7 pips also, if you caught for London, that's more than enough, guys. What's happening with EU? Okay, EU and GU. Okay, look at that, guys. Both GBP USD and EU are trying. Refrain from trading your funded during FOMC. And if you're trading your funded, Pajot, good luck. But if you're trading, look at the next candle. We got buyers from demand zone. Got buyers over here as well. Let me look at that. Okay. So sorry, guys. If you're trading on your funded account, use a feeler. Maybe $0.50 a pip. Or 25 cents or something, because we're trying to learn here. The goal is to learn from these markets, apply that knowledge, grow as a trader, make pips, and money will come, guys. Trust me when I say that. You shouldn't. That's good, Pajot. Okay, guys, is anyone in on anything at this point? Are you all trading? I'm not in on anything at this point. I'm not. Ooh, GBP USD Shelby. I don't know why I think of Shelby always whenever I see GBP USD. Okay. So there are 3 people who are looking at GBP USD.
And then it's still only an impulse. Explain that one.
Guys, you all need to realize that this is just still an impulse at this point. If I zoom in on this chart, the people who are new here, this is the candle that opened up, went up, came down, and it closed within our demand zone. So our trade starts to work out when, if this candle had closed below this area, the next candle would open up, retest, reject, and then go down. But this is just an impulse because we haven't closed. Nothing has closed in our box, okay? Nothing, guys. So this is not valid at this point.
Tell him, Prasann, that's one spot for a new intake, not an open slot. I'll get back to you.
Prasanna, if you're here, I will message you after the session. Please wait for that. Also, this one slot that I've opened up, it's not one slot for one meeting. It's for the sessions that we take, 4 or 5 intakes. This is for new intakes. Okay, Prasanna, I'll message you after this.
There's a two-month wait time for these intakes.
And also, there is a 2-month wait time for these intakes. I'm telling you, Prasanna, and telling anyone who wants to join one-on-ones, okay? 8-week wait time. Get this. To be honest, they sort of hit TP. Like, we caught like some 17, 18 pips over here. Like I told you all, closing above our demand zone, which means, how can I contact you guys? You can message me on Discord. My name is CashFX. Or you can just put it on open chat and I will reply. Everyone is waiting for GBP USD, I feel. Right?
DAX is low.
Well, I'm going to look at DAX. Look at this. Maybe we could go down to create a double bottom and then push up. We could do that as well, guys. Let's see. Maybe it's already a pattern that we're trying to finish and move up.
Flip supply to demand.
Now this supply has become demand. Okay? You all know supply keeps switching to demand, demand keeps switching to supply, depending upon where our current market price is at. Okay? Well know that.
Yeah, go send your intro, babe. Not kidding. Yeah. Women से late. ये छुट्टी लोगों के लिए मार दिया.
45, that's it. No. Guys, this is chop. I don't want to trade. I personally haven't taken even a single trade, not even a feeler at this point. Guys, you all need to realize when to give these markets some space. Like as humans, we need space. Give these markets some space and let them do whatever that they want to do. And when you think they are in their right mind, come back and trade. When they're respecting your analysis, forget that also. At one point, there's no volume in these markets. We've just been trading sideways. And I don't even want to talk about DAX. I legit don't want to talk about this abstract art. Y'all can see how stupid this is. Okay, maybe EUR GBP USD could give you moves.
Let's see if the impulse on GU closes.
Let's see if this impulse closes, guys. If it okay, it did. We need to break this. Anyone in on GBP USD, be careful. Cash. Okay, we need to break this. If we're breaking this, then we're going down further. Otherwise, there are chances that we're going to go up, make the pattern and go down further. But it looks like a small HNS also and a double top to me within that. So I don't know, guys. Let's see. We're catching support from almost the same area. We need to get rejected from our now supply. DAX is doing something. Nothing at this point. Okay. This is a very small zone, but if you want to start selling from this demand to this supply, which is now supply at this point. No, this is demand only, guys. I'm so sorry, I'm getting confused. This is demand. If you want to start selling from here and go till daily support to your next demand, you can do that. Okay, absolutely you can do that. From demand to demand, you can do that. But I'm not suggesting. Look at GBP USD, guys. This is a perfect setup as of now. We need to break this. Okay, we're going down. And is anyone in on GBP USD? Is anyone trading GBP? I'm not in on GBP. Cash and Cram are different people. The kind of energy that I have, I can't match it up to Cram, and the kind of bubbliness that I bring to the streams, he can't match that with different people. I can't have the same energy, and that guy seems like he's high on something all the time, guys. When he's trading these markets, he is just like, I don't know from where he gets that much energy, but don't expect that from me, guys. Please. I feel these markets sort of give him some high. Sort of looking at these candles move, this guy is he just gets crazier and crazier and happier and happier. with every candle moving, and I'm not like that, guys. I'm not. Cram is full of energy. Look at that. We're falling on GBP USD, guys. Same thing happening on EUR. Okay. Amazing, guys. This is very nice. If someone was trading GBP USD, y'all should have made some money on this. In GBP USD, Kyle, are you trading GBP USD? Candles are a turn on. Candles are a turn on, exactly the same word that he uses on every stream. From him, I get jealous also sometimes. I get jealous when he says that gold is a seductress, and I'm like, why am I here? High on pips, yes, always high on pip. That guy, trust me when I say this, he is always high on pips. He's an amazing trader, guys, and absolutely amazing teacher. Look at that. We're trying on EU. Let me just look at the indices. Get lost indices. Look at that. We're trying over here also, but catching some buyers from here. Maybe we're catching some buyers from here. We can fall down from here. Okay. Okay. It's nice.
Who's trading GU? See W's in the chat.
Guys, who's trading GU? I want W's in the chat. Shelby, I know you are. I know Karan is. Kyle, all you guys. I want W's in the chat, and I want success stories. 8 pips W, Kyle, congratulations. Serious Dan, W, Karan, W. Look at that. Could fall, guys. Seems like we want to. Stacks is like an abstract art, guys. It's giving me headache at this point. Ooh, look at that rejection. 8 pips W, Kyle. I hope you all realized your profits on GBP, guys. GBP USD. You all need to realize that these instruments, they move very slowly. Okay, these forex pairs, they move slowly, guys. Also, guys, I'm gonna wait for another minute. If it doesn't happen, another 10 seconds for the next 15-minute momentum. If it doesn't happen, it's not happening. I mean, it will happen, but maybe after an hour and a half, because that's what happened with me yesterday as well. Okay.
The levels we give you guys are static levels of structure. So you watch them, and whenever price gets to them, you
basically say that, babe. Guys, nonetheless, you all can use these levels. Yesterday also, I'm not gonna lie, I didn't trade with you all, but I traded myself. Cram and I, we traded ourselves. We did take some trades. I was only in on German. That's what I was trading yesterday, German 30. It made me wait for 1.5 to 2 hours, and my feeler was in a major loss. When I say major, my feeler was in a major loss. And then they made me wait a lot, but thank goodness I've traded London a lot, so I had a lot of patience in me to wait for those moves. Nonetheless, these moves are going to happen, guys, and these structures, these areas, these lines that you're seeing, this is going to work out till New York, guys. Okay, you're going to catch these moves. These are static levels that are being respected. Please take a screenshot or whatever, or mark these levels down for the buys and sells if you want to. Okay, just look at this, guys. Okay, this is US 30, this is DAX, this is EUR. If you all want to see now, this is the chop over here. If we break this daily resistance, we're going and catching this. Chances are we could go and hit higher time frame resistance as well on EUR. So if you want to see it like this, you can. This will be a good break of structure if we break our daily resistance. If not, then they're falling down, that means. Okay, get GBP USD. Okay, same thing. We can go up. We need to break this very strong supply. You saw how many rejections we got and how markets fell after that. If we break this, we're going, and chances are we're filling this wick as well. So these moves can happen, okay? These moves can happen going up and down in any direction, depending upon the market condition and other confluences that you have at that point when you're trading. Okay, be it after 1 hour after this session or 2 hours after the session, these are going to play out, and I want you all to take these levels and trade with smaller positions and see how you trade without us. Okay guys, go ahead and do that. You guys have my levels. I have not taken a single trade. I'm not going to give anything to these markets, guys. I better not trade anything. That's it, guys. This was a very nice session. Karan, congratulations. Sirius, Dan, Kyle, everyone who made money on the session, congratulations, guys. But these levels are gonna be working, so please use these levels, okay? Please do that.
Success stories, one-on-ones.
I want success stories, guys. Also, I had 50 people. Even if you all didn't make anything, okay, on this session, I'm sure you learned a lot. I know my one-on-ones, our one-on-one team, the core team of our community, they're coming here every day. Even if they're not making pips, they're learning from us, and they're putting it out there on success stories. I saw a lot of new people today. Today's market was a chop, guys, but nonetheless, you have my levels. You can trade this. I promise they're going to hit. And tomorrow also I'm going to come with London, guys. Go ahead and put it on success stories and for one-on-ones. I'm talking about not a slot, but I'm talking about a new intake. Please go ahead and message CashFX. I just put it on open chat and I'll reply to you guys. Neha, yes, you can do that, but it needs to break daily resistance, okay? And it's going to take a lot of time and a lot of volume to do that. And if that does happen, you can do that, but you need to realize that you need to start realizing your profits soon, because a lot of chop, okay? But we can definitely fill that, Neha, okay? You want to see EUR? EUR USD. I'm so sorry, guys. I don't know why I say EUR. It's just a language that I've picked up since I've been trading. I didn't have to teach anyone. But look at this, guys, okay? This is EUR, making it smaller as well. Okay, this is GBP. Again, my German 30 and US 30. Thank you so much, guys. This was a very nice session. I personally learned a lot from these markets. I learned how to stay away and not take a single trade, and that's amazing, guys. If you don't feel like, don't trade these markets, but otherwise you have my levels. Thank you so much, guys. I will see you all tomorrow for London, because there's no New York that's happening, but tomorrow we have FOMC, so please go ahead and set your reminders for FOMC tomorrow. It's going to be different timing for all of y'all wherever you are. Thank you so much, guys. It was a very nice session. Please be careful in these choppy markets, and I will see you all tomorrow for London and for FOMC, guys. Bye. Quickly go.